Best Professional Beard Trimmer Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular beard trimmers in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this beard trimmer so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this right away. The one that made our list is the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom Trimmer. This trimmer has 13 attachments for all of your grooming needs, including a full-sized steel trimmer, a precision trimmer, a nose and ear hair trimmer, 3 hair trimming guards, 3 beard trimming guards, a stubble guard, an accessory travel storage bag, and a cleaning brush. Unlike other trimmers in the market, there is no oil needed to maintain a high quality performance on this trimmer. The blades and guards that come along with this set are easy to detach and rinse. The DualCut technology includes self-sharpening blades that remain as sharp as day one after 2 years of use. To check out the full specs of the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom Trimmer and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/pro trimmer. Here's a quick look at how easy it is to use this trimmer. So there you have it, the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom Trimmer. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and its overall functionality, we feel that this trimmer is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom Trimmer and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/pro trimmer. Alright, thank you for watching.